I cleared 11 backlog tickets on my invoicing SaaS in one weekend. 4 hours of my time. The estimate was 3 full days of manual work. If you run a small SaaS or internal tool and you got a backlog of bugs you keep pushing to next month, this is the video that fixes that. Most explainers show Claude Code from a developer's chair. I'm showing it from a one-person operator's chair, where shipping matters more than syntax. By the end, you'll know exactly what Claude Code is, what it isn't, and how to point it at your own backlog. I'm Lazar. I build automations for clients daily. Let's get into it. So what is Claude Code in one sentence? It's an AI agent that lives in your terminal, reads your entire code base, edits files directly, runs commands, and ships changes. That's it. No IDE plugin. No copy-paste between a chat window and your editor. You describe a problem in plain English, and it acts on the actual files in the actual repo. Now here's the contrast that makes it click. Claude.ai, the chat product, gives you suggestions. You still have to open the file, paste the code, test it, fix what broke, and commit. Claude Code skips all of that. It gives you commits. That's the whole mental model. One is an advisor, the other is a junior engineer that actually moves the work forward. And here's where most explainers get it wrong for people like us. They frame Claude Code as a developer tool. For a solo SaaS operator or a small agency owner, that framing is misleading. Claude Code isn't really for writing new code. It's for clearing the backlog you've been ignoring for 6 months. The tiny fixes. The annoying edge cases. The customer reported bug from a user in a different language that hits one specific edge case in your PDF generator. Let me show you what I mean with a real example. I run an invoicing tool for small businesses in Serbia. Cyrillic characters were breaking on certain PDF exports. Email retry logic was silently failing on bounced addresses. The VAT field was missing on one specific invoice template. Each one of these tickets was a 30-minute job that I kept postponing because 30 minutes times 11 tickets is a full work day I never had. Last weekend, I sat down with Claude Code. I opened the repo. I described the first bug in plain English. Something like, when an invoice has Cyrillic characters in the buyer name, the PDF renders boxes instead of letters. The font fallback isn't loading correctly. Find the issue and fix it. Claude Code read the repo. It found the issue and fixed it. Claude Code read the repo. It found the PDF generation module. It identified that the embedded font didn't include the full Cyrillic range. It swapped in a font that did. It ran the test suite. It generated a sample PDF. It showed me the diff. I reviewed it, approved it, committed it. 8 minutes. Then I did the next ticket. Then the next. 4 hours later, 11 tickets cleared. All shipped to production. Here is the part nobody tells you. The skill that matters here is not coding. It's describing problems clearly. If you can write a clean bug report to a developer you trust, you can drive Claude Code. That's it. If you've got a tool or a SaaS with a backlog you keep avoiding, this is exactly the kind of system we build for clients at BizflowAI.io. Real automations, custom integrations, agents that ship work overnight. Go to BizflowAI.io to see what we've shipped. Hit subscribe and ring the bell so the next breakdown finds you.